Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to change the visibility of a board in the Trello mobile app. If you often collaborate on projects or manage multiple boards, knowing how to adjust visibility is essential. First, open the Trello app on your phone. Next, find the board you want to manage and open it. Then, look for the three dots located at the top. Right and tap on them. Next, at the top of the menu, you will see an icon visibility. Tap on this icon to open the visibility options. Here, Trello gives you three choices: private, workspace, or public. Then, decide which option best suits your needs. Selecting private ensures only you and invited members can access the board. Choosing Workspace allows all members of your workspace to view and collaborate on the board. Finally, Public makes your board visible to anyone with the link. Once you make your selection, click on Save button to confirm. It updates instantly, so you don't need to save anything manually. Finally, your board's visibility has been successfully changed, and now you can manage who sees your content more effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Trello tips and tutorials.